Hey guys, today I'll be showing you this really cool slime that I bought. It's called frog spawn slime, and no, I did not get real frog spawn from my garden pond. But like I bought it and it's green slime with a frog in it with like these weird little seeds in it, and I will go get that from my car. Can you guys hear that? What are you doing? You come in? She wants to come in. Say hey. Okay, let's go get that from the car in 1, 2, 3. Okay, I just got the slime right now, so we're going back in. Peace. No, wrong way. Peace. We have fellow travelers. Who could they be? No, I don't see anybody. Oh, right, so I'll meet you back with my cat in the bed in 1, 2, 3. We're back in the kitchen.
Hi.
What is that?
Just want to start cooking.
Have we got any pizza? What? Guys, if you watch my recent vlogs, you know that I absolutely hate pizza. Especially that kind of pizza.
Oh, look.
What?
Jimmy's conversation with us is the only one he'll have all week.
Oh. Ugh. There's... Oh, steak and kidney pie. Yum. Yeah. Steak and kidney pie with like chips. Thanks. 1, 2, 3. We're back. Why are we on a ladder? I can't get up. I really don't know why we're on the ladder, but this is the most fun thing about this. Don't try this at home, kids. Woo! That was fun. Okay, I'm gonna lay the slime out now, guys. It's got a little froggy, like I said. Little frog with a tummy cutting. And like, it's like transparent, but like still, I don't know if you can like see it. It's like a lot more visible in person. I'm not saying my camera's rubbish. Can you like see those bits? It's meant to be frog spawn. My man's talking. It's like, whee. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, she's trying to pop in. You want to eat it? Bye, guys.